In this video I'm gonna add PayPal checkout to the cart, so let me search for PayPal third-party shopping cart, and it's this link here, adding PayPal checkout to your third-party shopping cart. So there are basically two methods. You can read through this. You can either pass the whole amount or item by item, which I'm gonna do. So that's this thing right here, but I need to get the form, which is here. So in checkout TJS, I'm gonna have that after the table, and I'm gonna give this form a class of PP for PayPal, and the action is gonna be as it is now, but I'm also gonna say sandbox here because I'm gonna be using my PayPal sandbox account or email. And let's see what it says for method 2, pass individual items. So first of all, I need to replace this with this. So I'm gonna get that and replace that here. And next I need to add this new input. So I'm gonna add that here. Next I'm gonna add my sandbox email. Okay, so that's my sandbox email. You can use my one or your own if you have one. And I'm gonna get rid of this item name. I'm gonna leave the currency code, and the amount is gonna be total. And after my email here, I'm gonna pass the individual items here to the form. So let's see how that's done. Here it is right here. So this X is basically item number starting with 1, and some of these are required and some are not. I'm gonna use item name and amount, which are required, and I'm also gonna use quantity, which isn't listed here, but I happen to know it exists. So here I'm gonna loop through the cart, whoops, like so. So this is gonna say cart, and I'm gonna say P here. And now for each item in the cart, I'm gonna have an input type, but actually before that I'm gonna have that num variable here initialized to 0. And so for each item I'm gonna say that num is ++ incremented by 1. And now here I'm gonna have input of type hidden with name of item underscore name underscore num there, and let me just get this back there. Okay, and the value is gonna be p title, and I'm also gonna have the amount, so amount underscore num, and the value is gonna be p price, and that quantity, so quantity underscore num and value p.qty. So that should work. Let's see if it does. If I refresh here and add some items, and let's say bananas as well, and I go to my cart, and here is the button now. I want to click this button and actually hide this PayPal button and have a message here show up and so on, but let's just see if this works for now. And it seems to be working. So here it is, this is the total, and I have in here apples and bananas. So it's all good. The only thing I can't see is the item number, I mean the quantity, because it's 1 for each. But if I had more than 1, it would show up. And I'm gonna show that in the next video when I enhance this checkout a bit. Okay, see you then.